The Memorial Amphitheater Display Room exhibits historical artifacts related to the tomb, as well as awards and gifts presented to each of the unknown soldiers. Starting with the World War I unknown's burial in 1921, representatives from foreign nations have presented the unknowns with military awards and unique gifts. During the 1921 funeral service, Great Britain presented the Victoria Cross and France presented the Medaille Militaire. Chief Plenty Coups of the Crow Nation left his war bonnet and coup stick in tribute to the World War I unknown, and he also received two of the highest U.S. military decorations, the Medal of Honor and the Distinguished Service Cross. The Memorial Amphitheater Display Room tells the story of the tomb of the unknown soldier and showcases some of the many tributes to the unknowns to show respect and gratitude for their service and sacrifice. The Memorial Amphitheater Display Room is located between the Memorial Amphitheater and the Tomb of the Unknown Soldier and can be accessed from the top of the amphitheater's east steps.